Flexion and extension. Flexion is a movements that take place within the sagittal plane and involve anterior or posterior movements of the body or limbs. In the limbs, flexion decreases the angle between the bones, bending of the joint, while extension means increasing the angle between two bones, straightening a bend. The triceps brachii and anconeus. Abduction and adduction. Abduction is a movement away from the midline, just as abducting someone is to take them away. For example, abduction of the shoulder raises the arms out to the sides of the body. Adduction is a movement towards the midline, while adduction brings the limb or hand toward or across the midline of the body, or brings the fingers or toes together. Circumduction is the movement of the limb, hand, or fingers in a circular pattern, using the sequential combination of flexion, adduction, extension, and abduction motions. Hyperextension. Hyperextension means that there's been excessive movement of a joint in one direction, straightening. In other words, the joint has been forced to move beyond its normal range of motion. When this happens, the tissues around the joint can become damaged. Circumduction. Circumduction is the orderly combination of shoulder movements so that the hand traces a circle and the arm traces a cone. In order it is produced by shoulder flexion, abduction, extension, and abduction, or the reverse. Rotation. Rotation can occur within the vertebral column, at a pivot joint, or at a ball and socket joint. Rotation of the neck or body is the twisting movement produced by the summation of the small rotational movements available between adjacent vertebrae.